Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Messenger video not playing. If you're using Facebook Messenger and your video is not playing, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. First of all, you have to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, or if it's not, you must have to simply enable your airplane mode and then disable it after 5 or 10 seconds. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings. Once you have that, wait for your phone connect to internet or Wi-Fi and then open up your settings. In settings, you must have to scroll down and look for general. Simply tap on it. Then scroll down again and you will get the transfer or reset iPhone. Simply select that option. And here you have to tap on reset, then tap on reset network settings. So it might be that there is any problem into your network settings, so it will be fixed after resetting your network settings. Or once you have that, you have to simply select the VPN and device management. And here you have to make sure that your phone isn't connected to any VPN. Once you have checked, simply go back and here you have to open the general section again, then go for iPhone storage, and here you have to make sure that you have enough storage. And once you have that, you must have to go back and you have to try again. But if you are still having the same issue, you have to open up your app store, go for search, and here you have to search for Messenger, and you have to make sure that you haven't any update available. If you have any update here, you have to simply download and install it on your phone by simply tapping on the update option. So once you have updated your app, your all problem will be fixed. So in this way, you can easily fix Messenger video is not playing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.